MVA Tactical, Romania. Started as a single person, driven by a passion for firearms and the desire to improve every single day. But true passion never stays alone. Today, MVA Tactical is no longer just one person. It has become a team, a group of friends, of shooters, united by the same goal: perfection in everything related to firearms and the continuous development of their skills. Every training session, every shooting exercise is a lesson, a challenge, a step forward. Because here, at MVA Tactical, it's not just about the guns, it's about discipline, friendship, and constant evolution.
Ține-te broce, știi? Niciodată nu a fost pistolul și finișa, nu pus nimic. Da, e față spate. Față spate. Ce cred, da? Nu? Nu toate scuțeava și mai punctat. 4620. Să sapă te trăgăci. Rămâi acolo, nu anticipa, nu crea de tine, da? Și ăsta, nu știu cine e ăsta, nu-i dăm.